It's a really gusty Friday, no matter how you slice it. Temperatures sitting in the low 60s throughout the valley. We're seeing also an increase in humidity, but we are not anticipating any precipitation here in the valley today, although we are seeing a beautiful sunrise on your finally Friday. Let's take a look at our wind speeds around the region. Again, this is our sustained winds, 9 miles an hour right now here in Las Vegas, 20 miles an hour in Death Valley. We expect that to increase as the day wears on. In fact, let's check out our Futurecast wind gust model, and this is where we're going to be seeing those eye-popping numbers because we are under a wind advisory. Let's take a look at this. We're going to stop it right around lunchtime, which is when we expect to see the strongest gusts here throughout the valley. 35 up in the northwest, 28 miles an hour at the airport, 41 down in West Henderson, and your eyes do not deceive you. 62 miles an hour out at Red Rock Canyon right around lunchtime. You can see gusts really hovering right around that 30 to 35 mile per hour mark. Once we get overnight tonight, though, things are going to start to cool down, except if you're up in the Centennial Hills area. Still going to be seeing gusts right around that 30 mile an hour mark. Again, that's going to start to taper off as we roll through tomorrow and into your weekend. The rest of the story will be mostly clear skies and temperatures starting to decrease this weekend. We'll show you why here on our upper level pattern map. We're going to zoom in just a little bit and show you this trough of low pressure is going to start to work its way across from the Pacific coast into our neck of the woods by Monday and into Tuesday. Zooming out just a little bit to show you that we're going to see even more low pressure entering our region right around Wednesday and into Thursday. And we're also tracking this one coming off the Pacific Northwest coast, coming potentially down into our area. So we're anticipating temperatures cooling off back below normal after we're seeing record highs earlier this week and above normal high temperatures today. Speaking of that, 70 degrees today is what we anticipate. Again, that's above normal by almost 8 or 9 degrees. There's we're going to start to see our cool off heading into the weekend and then into next work week. Temperatures sitting in the low 60s and upper 50s by the time we're in the middle of next work week.